There's a new update in Animal Company that just came out. It's super fire. It is the Yeet Blades, originated from Attack on Titan. And like they have air in the air and all of this. It's actually a pretty cool update. Let's go see if I can go slay the giant with it. And I'm stuck. Okay, let's go. And these are like little grapplers. Pretty cool. Alright, that's an invisible leaf. There he is. There's the giant. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We got it. We got a mobility. It's a new mobility item, which is actually pretty cool. No.